Let's make popsicle at home. Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make kiwi yogurt popsicle recipe. Hope you like it. This popsicle is easy to make and it's safer and healthier to eat as is homemade. Do check out my another dragon fruit and red bean popsicle recipes too. Popsicles are long, thin stick-shaped ice products that are made by mixing and freezing water, juice, sugar, milk, etc. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Kiwi yogurt popsicle. Ingredients: kiwi, yogurt. Cut kiwi into half, then gently rotate the knife along the edge of the peel to separate the peel and the flesh naturally. Mash kiwi thoroughly. I use blueberry yogurt for this recipe. Alternately pour a teaspoon of yogurt and a teaspoon of kiwi puree into the popsicle cup. Another method is to mix yogurt and kiwi puree. Repeat the same step to fill up popsicle cups. Just put the popsicles in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Today is next day, let's check popsicle. Rinse under water can easily remove popsicle from cup.
Wow, looks great!
This is the mixture yogurt and kiwi popsicle. Kiwi and citrus fruits both contain the highest levels of naturally occurring vitamin C, which is an important ingredient in protecting our skin. Not only is vitamin C one of the richest sources of antioxidants, helping to protect the skin from harmful free radicals, but paired with the other vitamins in kiwi extract, it has the ability to rejuvenate inactive skin cells. This is a kiwi and yogurt marble popsicle. The color of the kiwi is so pretty. Fruits rich in fruit enzymes, such as papaya, pineapple, and kiwi, can break down proteins. Eating them on an empty stomach will irritate the gastrointestinal mucosa. Therefore, it is recommended to eat them after meals to promote intestinal motility and aid digestion. Kiwi and cucumber are incompatible. Cucumber contains vitamin C degrading enzymes, which can destroy vitamin C in food. To avoid the destruction of vitamin C in kiwi, try not to eat these two foods at the same time. Eating kiwi and shrimp together can cause poisoning. Kiwi fruit cannot be eaten with white radish, as eating them together can cause thyroid enlargement. Kiwi fruit is extremely nutritious and is known as the king of fruits. Many people praise the fragrant and delicious kiwi fruit flesh, but ignore the seemingly inconspicuous kiwi fruit seeds, but its nutritional value should not be underestimated. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.